to make my intro. Hey guys, don't go down, son. Don't, please don't. Okay, hey guys, sorry about that. Now it's not coming out because it was going down at first. I think it's because Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had to do a video the other day. I want to give y'all some advice about how to get rid of chappy lips. So I had to do that the other day. The intro. I haven't did no intro the other day. When I did it, I kind of put this into this. So you'll probably see I make an intro and outro in the same day. I'm just going to end this. But before we get started, just subscribe and press the bell notification, and just like this video. So let's get to the video.
Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing on here, I was looking on my phone to do research of how to do a DIY of a lip chap. So that's what I was doing on my phone. Right there I already put some sugar in it. I just put 1 cup of sugar, not a lot, and I put olive oil in it, and I kind of mixed it up with a Q-tip. So I kind of had, I didn't put no water in it, but I kind of just stir it up around it and rub it on my lips. That's my mom that y'all see right there. She's trying to see what I was doing. I told her what I was doing. I was using that, and that was the product. That's the hair product of oil. It's called beauty kind. But it says it's for you could use for your skin, like body and hair and that. So I kind of just tried it out and see mixing with the sugar in it of that, but I kept rubbing it, and after that I get another Q-tip and I wetted the Q-tip and clean that dead dry skin off, because my lips is not really peeling. It's kind of peeling, but it's not really peeling really bad. But the next one I'm using after that, I use a washcloth towel, and wet it with warm water. I put that on there to use, and so I kind of do that. The one thing I would tell you, don't peel your lips, because I be doing that every time. I kind of been trying to stop doing that. That's not good. But with that, I just kind of use a washcloth, and after that, I use my Vaseline chapstick that I have, and technically you use any Vaseline. You could use the jar Vaseline, the little one or the big one, or the jar that you have that is really good for like a lip balm or something. So that's what again, my look really soft and good. So yeah, you probably see right now on it of how it looks. So yeah.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I want to give y'all an update right now about how my lips look. It's not really chappy. It's not peeling or nothing like that. It feels soft. Use that stuff that I had did, and I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna try something different. The one I kind of did, I'm gonna let y'all know. I had put sugar in it. I put some olive oil, the one you use for your hair, but it says it's to use for your body to massage, and I kind of did that and use a Q-tip. I had did this before, but not with the sugar thing. Not with the olive oil. I kind of use honey, because honey had worked really good when I did it. Use your finger. You're not necessarily have to use Q-tip. You use your finger or use with a Q-tip. So I never did try that when last time I did this before. I gotta go wash my face right now because it's kind of feel dry, and I just kind of was in the bathroom early, but I was trying to make this first before I get started again. Yeah, my head is hurting me, and also because I know I had to go in the bathroom because I had to brush my teeth. I know it's afternoon. I might have to wait later. But when I do all the time when I brush my teeth, or when I I have to use my asthma pump. My allergy doctor gave me this asthma pump that I have to do every day. It's this thing that I have to use. So that's what when I do brush my teeth, and also when I try to clean my lips. So yeah, I kind of use this. I don't know if y'all know what this is, but I kind of use this to put this into for my asthma, because I have asthma. So but I never did use this. My brother did, but I don't know why I'm putting this in the video. But one day, if y'all want me to talk about this more about it, let me know in the comments. I have to brush my teeth, do my asthma pump first, and after that brush my teeth and mouthwash, and after that I clean my lips. I never did do that, but I just kind of put Vaseline because my lips kind of I just put Vaseline. If I don't want to do that, I just put Vaseline on it because it's still gonna get dry. But it's better to just clean your lips after you brush your teeth. Do that because you need to. But let's go and do that. I don't want to miss this part of it. But I'm just letting y'all know this is what I kind of do. I'm just attaching, so I have to like do this every day. And never mind about that. Next time I talk about this next time because I'm gonna put this into this video. I don't know why I put it in it. Might cut it out probably. But let's go in.
Okay, right here I'm using my my asthma pump that I use this, I forgot the name of it, but it's a thing that you use for your asthma that you have to use every day. But after that I have to like brush my teeth, and I think I already tell y'all this that, but I'm just telling you on the voice over on here so I could like let y'all know that that's what I be doing before I get the dry chappy lips off after I brush my teeth. But again, I really don't do this all the time. I kind of sometimes will put Vaseline on my lips, so that's the only thing I do, or clean it. Right now I'm in the kitchen. I didn't show this in the beginning but I'm in the kitchen, went and got some sugar, a little sugar, not that much. But right here I'm using seasoned salt. I'm using seasoned salt. Y'all might be like, what? I kind of looked it up because it says you could use seasoned salt to use and mix it with the sugar. I kind of just decided to mix it with the sugar to try it out like that. And I put water in it kind of, but after that, before I did that, I kind of used a Q-tip and went with warm water. And after that, I started using it, stirring it up, and it kind of looked a little funny when it kind of messed up the Q-tip part of the end of it. So I kind of liked that and just went over on my lips that were the part at the bottom lips, that's the kind of the dryness part. But it was looking a little weird because I think it was dripping a little bit. But so that's what I'm showing this on this, but I'm just gonna let y'all see through the whole thing.
Also, I forgot to say I had put some sugar again on it without the seasoned salt. I kind of put the sugar on with my lips, and to kind of get all that seasoned salt off a little bit of that. So that's why I was on this part. So this is the ending part. It's the next day. Today I just went to the bathroom and I did put some on my lips. My lips is not like peeling off, and I did the same thing. It's a little chappy, but it's not really chappy bad like peeling. Try this out and see if it's going to work. But you'll probably see that I'll probably tell you I'm in the living room, of course. But I want to kind of show y'all that I went to a website that tells you what you could do. Okay, so I went to this website. It says 5 easy DIY treatments for chappy lips. And so I know it tells you what to do. You could put like sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, or salt, or seasoned salt. No, seasoned salt you could put. I had do a honey thing one time. I put like sugar on it and I put honey on it. I kind of mix it. I used a toothbrush. So that's how I kind of got the dead skin off with using. But you can use Q-tips to do it, to get it off really good, than using a toothbrush. I kind of like doing that more. But sorry about that. But all this stuff that y'all see, I went to that website. I know it says coconut oil. You could put olive color, or anything that I think that would kind of like you could do with these things that I'll show y'all. But you could search these on Google and it will like tell you what you could do. All this stuff will be in the description box. But if you enjoy this video and you want me to do more of these, it's kind of like a life hacks video. Just thumbs up in this video and comment below. And so I hope that y'all enjoy this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my vlogging channel too. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. But I see y'all in my next video. So I hope y'all enjoy this. I'm also comment below. You like me sitting in here. This is in the living room. The sun is out now because I know the other day the sun wasn't out. So, and the other day I was feeling a little, kind of feel like I was a little sick a little bit, kind of. But I hope y'all enjoy it. So, bye y'all.